Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty failed attestation status, fix TPM 2.0, BIOS update, and COD Broker Service. So I made a visual representation on how to fix it, and I'll show you how to do them. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below. So without any further ado, let's straight to the video. Now, the first thing that we need to do is checking TPM 2.0. We need to make sure that the specific version is 2.0. To do that, just go ahead and click on your start menu right over here and then type in device security. Right over here, click on device security. On security processor, just click on security processor details. Over here, as you can see on my specification, the version is 2.0. Once we made sure that the version is 2.0, TPM is at 2.0. Next, enabling secure boot. Right over here, we need to make sure that secure boot is enabled. There's a lot of games with anti-cheat system that needs secure boot to be enabled. So to do that, you just have to restart your PC. And as for me, when I restart my PC, you need to keep spamming F2 or delete, and sometimes F8, and you need to make sure what motherboard you are using. Speaking of motherboard, this is step 3. We need to update the BIOS. You need to go to your motherboard's manufacturer right over here and download the latest BIOS. Update it following their instructions. Once we update the BIOS and made sure that BIOS is up to date, we need to check the update windows. Basically, updating the windows is as basic as start menu, updates right over here, and check for updates. When we check for updates, if there is a latest version for the update, just go ahead and update, restart your PC, and launch the game. If that's not work, we can go ahead and verify the Call of Duty game files via Steam. To do that, just go ahead and exit that real quick. Go to your Steam right over here, click on library, right click on your game, click properties, click installed files, and verify integrity of game files. What this will do is it's gonna fix any corrupted files that might be on the game. So once let's go ahead and wait for it. Once it completed, just go ahead and exit this out. As you can see, validated right here. But exit out and relaunch your game and see if that fixed. If that's not fixed, we move to the next one. We have to restart our COD Broker Service. So we just have to go ahead and click on Windows plus R, type in services.msc, press OK. And as you can see, this is the window right over here. Over here, we just have to scroll down until we see the section that says Call of Duty Broker Service. It should be on the C section, and then click on restart. Over here, right click and then restart. Alright. Once done, the next step is running the Call of Duty as administrator. For that, to do that, just go ahead and go to your Steam again. Once more, go to the library, right click on your game, click to manage, browse local files, find the exe application, right click on it, and then run as administrator. Simple as that. If it launched, congratulations. Then lastly is updating the graphics drivers and restarting your PC. So to do that, as for me, we have NVIDIA, and if you do have any other graphics drivers, just go ahead and do AMD or Intel. This will be the same process, to be honest. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the tray right over here, right click on NVIDIA, click on NVIDIA app, wait for it to load. Once it loads, click on drivers, download the latest GPU driver for you, and do the installation process, and once more, restart your PC to do the full effect. So that will be all for today, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if it fixed your Call of Duty, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.